Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. Sorry about the creepy eyebrows. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, I'm going to be doing another wig unboxing first impression video. Today we are unboxing this unit that I'm wearing right now. This is the Bobbi Boss Journey unit. I obtained this in a jet black 1, that is my preference. And this is the MLF 385 unit. It is a premium synthetic wig. It's a lace front unit and it is a Swiss lace front unit. It has a 5-inch deep parting space, as you guys can see here. It has ear-to-ear lace, and then each fiber on this unit is said to be hand-tied. So it's supposed to give the hair more movement and body and all of those good things. All right, so getting into cap construction, you guys can see that there are 2 combs on the outermost perimeter of the unit, closer to the ear tab portion. And then at the bottom of the unit, there is an additional comb as well as adjustable straps on both sides. So straight out of the package, this is what the unit looks like, and it doesn't look terrible. It comes with that customary amount of lace, which I'm gonna go in and trim off. And then this is to show you guys what the parting space looks like. Don't mind that my wig cap is shifted back from plopping it on, but you guys can see that this is what the unmanipulated parting space looks like. So it's also not terrible. If anything, you probably could get away with this as long as you wear a nude wig cap and then just apply the tiniest bit of powder right here, because it does look like it bulks up right there. So just to make it look more believable, but this is what it looks like fresh out of the package, and I like this actually. It doesn't look bad. It has good volume. Doesn't look terrible. So as always, I'm gonna style this unit to my satisfaction and then come back to you guys with all of my questions, comments, concerns, additional specs, and deep dive into the unit. So I'm back. Where do we dive in? So as you guys can see, it's kind of puffing out here and it's making me look like I have very chubby cheeks, and it's making me look like I have a football head. So I feel as though the remedy for that is to tuck hair behind your ear, and then it makes it a little less dramatic. And hey cheekbone, how are you doing? Welcome back to the party. But it keeps puffing out right here. It was naturally doing that when I did take it out of the packaging. When I took the comb and I would comb it out, then it would stay down for a second. So I think hairspray might also remedy that, but this is a little bit overwhelming in this section here. Outside of that, in terms of the parting space, you guys can see this is what it looks like now. Looks better. I went in with the tiniest bit, a flat angle brush, the tiniest bit of my Ulta Bombshell bronzer from the contour kit, and hit that parting space. Looks good. Didn't have to pluck anything, didn't have to tweeze anything, but most of it was focused here. So now we have a seamless transition between my forehead and between the parting space. I did trim off the lace, and I used a rat tail comb as well as my fingers to just go in and break up the curls, but I didn't do too much manipulation because, you know, with curly units, the more that you manipulate them, then over time the units are going to drop their curls, but they're also going to get bigger. So I want to minimize as much manipulation in the early stages, and then as it gets older, naturally fluff it out as those curls are dropping. This is a synthetic wig, but it is from Bobbi Boss, and it says on the care tag that this is a premium synthetic unit. In terms of length, you guys can see that it is hitting me when it's stretched out. It is right underneath the bust. My belly button is right here, and I am 5'9.5". I'm definitely getting old Hollywood glam vibes. This could be a vacation wig, but I think that it looks really, really pretty. I really like it. Everything, even with this puffing out and making my face look wider than it is, I think it is a really pretty unit. I like the curls on it. It just gives me Donna Summer, old Hollywood, carefree black girl vibes. I'm digging it. In terms of the combs and the adjustable straps, I didn't use them. I never use them. It's definitely big head friendly because it doesn't feel like it's sliding off. It is a little more snug up here on my forehead, but it doesn't feel like it's cutting off my circulation and I have to adjust it. But it is a little more snug up here, so it's nice and secure and in place. Going back to the styling, I didn't get any shedding with it, which is kind of interesting because, you know, with these curly units, it can go either way. You're not going to get too much setting and then it mats up into a rat's nest, and then it's almost impossible, you know, because you're trying to avoid brushing it out and losing the definition, and you want to keep some of this volume at a minimum. Does that make sense? You want to keep the volume at a minimum, and you want to keep the defined curls. You don't want it just to become a big poofy mess. But by doing that, then the hair, you know, it kinks up and rats up on your your neck, and then it's impossible to brush it out to the point where you just have to throw it away. So in terms of styling effort, this was very minimal. This is definitely one of those units that you can take out of the package, and if you wanted to, slap on a nude wig cap and go. But I think just to really bring it together, add some blush tone powder, if anywhere, just right here, and that will seal the deal. In terms of the luster, it does have a shine to it, but it is not all the way at the end of the spectrum being that plasticky shine. So if you did want to tone down the shine on this unit, then you can get some dry shampoo and that will definitely help. But yeah, that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up, share this video with anybody that you think might find it helpful. And that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.